I'm continuing with sample spaces, and these are my examples of different sample spaces that we are talking about. Tossing one coin, sample space heads or tails. Now, N of S is a representation of how many things are in your sample space. So the size of the sample space is 2 because I only have 2 outcomes. The experiment of rolling a die has 6 sample space, so therefore N of S is equal to 6. Now, another sample space that you probably want to have a picture of is rolling 2 dice. So I have die 1, so the outcomes there is 1 through 6. There's my second one, that's 1 through 6. Notice that 6 times 6 is 36. I do have the size of the sample space at 36. We're going to talk a little bit more about how to count this when we talk about counting rules in 4-4, but notice rolling a 1 and then a 1, rolling a 3 and then a 4, and so on and so forth. Another sample space that you want to have a picture of is the sample space of choosing a card from a deck. So the experiment is choosing a card from a deck, and the sample space is as given. So those of you who like to play cards, you're probably more familiar with this. If you are not familiar, here's a good picture that you can use during this semester.